Welcome back. Continuing the news. To a primetime news follow-up now. The body of a man who was washed away in a gully in Waltham Park, St Andrew during heavy rain yesterday was found this morning in Majesty Gardens. Amoy Harriot reports.
You mash up though. You saw the body.
The search for 18-year-old Rajon Melbourne ended Wednesday morning in tears. The young man was among two persons washed away by heavy flood waters in a gully in the Waltham Park Road area in St Andrew on Tuesday. Rajon was assisting the other victim, an adult woman, to remove pigs from the gully when they were washed away. The woman was rescued by residents in Majesty Gardens and later hospitalized. Rajon was sadly not so lucky.
So all of a sudden, me say somebody's pass and hold up him and I say help, help. But you see how speed the gully are going. He passed me with a good speed. So when me start balling and run and I say, people no come help me, say look boy in the gully, no come help me. And some go so now and I turn stuff, we come buck him up down at the bridge, catch him and float and I go. When me by time for reach at the bridge, no sign of him I see. So we down at the bottom part, I search for him and I search around all boat on the corner. He say him could have itch up.
They resumed the search from as early as 6 a.m. One man who assisted in finding the youngster told us what they saw.
Right on the side I go with some rubbish there. After I just dig up, you know, and I say, all right, they must say, imagine man, move no man, because some might grab it there. So I said, after they are saying, you know, so when we move now and go around on the next side now, we are saying float up. So the little rubbish where we move, make him float up so somebody else can see him.
Now, Ronald Todd doesn't know Rajon personally, but he didn't hesitate to join the search.
I feel it's right, because if I didn't my daughter or my son or anybody where, you know, I said, would have want somebody to come try help me find them to see them, you know. I feel it, yeah, even if I didn't mean, would I want somebody help try to find me. So I put it in myself and say, I grab my cutlass and I go out there on the team too and say, I can help find. So we just want the family know so we from our heart. Yo, anything for anybody, man. Anything for anybody, man. For you in a danger, man, we're willing for help, man.
Also willing to help was Rajon's neighbor, Mr. Jackson, who says he was an upstanding young man.
A willing person, he will go to the very extra mile to help people, and that's what caused his life.
Rajon was to celebrate his 19th birthday in December. His brother, Brandon Isaacs, told us their mother is seemingly still in shock.
Why, to tell you the truth, she just come like say she not have a stable mind right now. I don't see she really cry or nothing about. I don't know.
Amoy Harriot, TVJ News.